Hey there! In this tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to automate Heroku Postgres tasks and queries such as data archiving, cleanup, aggregation, building indexes, and more. To begin, we'll install Cron To Go in our Heroku app by going to the app dashboard and then clicking the Resources tab. Then, under Add-ons, type in Cron, pick the plan you'd like to start with, and click Submit Order Form. Now click on Cron To Go to open its dashboard. Once Cron To Go is all set up, it's time to give it a go and schedule Heroku Postgres statements. Most Heroku build packs come bundled with the PSQL command line interface, which allows you to connect your database and run commands. The environment variable, database URL, found in the app config contains the connection string, so we'll pass that to the PSQL command for it to connect to our app's database. We will then add the -c argument together with a SQL statement to execute an inline query. There's also the option to add SQL files to your app repo, and then execute them using the -f argument. For this tutorial, we'll be adding two jobs that serve different purposes. The first one refreshes a materialized view every 10 minutes, and the second one deletes old data every night. Unlike regular views, which only query the underlying stored data in the actual tables or views referenced by the view, materialized views actually store the result set of that query. This can speed up queries on the view if your view's query is very complex, yet the data that the view contains is not kept up to date with every change to the underlying tables. In order to obtain fresh data, you need to run a command to refresh the materialized view every once in a while. To add a job to automate this, open Cron To Go's dashboard. Next, click the Add Job button. Name the first job Refresh Materialized View. Use the following cron expression and command to refresh the view named Daily Active Users every 10 minutes. Click Add Job to add this job. Now create another job. This time, name it Archive Old Data. Use the following cron expression and command to delete records older than 30 days from the table named All Events every night at 3 a.m. UTC. All that's left now is to sit back and relax. Cron To Go will take care of automatically running the jobs for you and can also notify you in case they fail. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks so much for tuning in. Check out our other tutorials to see what other cool things you can get done with Cron To Go.